Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about one of the simplest yet most effective tools in skincare, the facial roller. This little tool has been a beauty staple for centuries, and for good reason. In the next 10 minutes, we'll discuss how a facial roller works, its amazing benefits, and how you can use it to enhance your skincare routine. By the end of this video, you'll know why it deserves a place in your daily regimen. Facial rollers are typically made of materials like jade, rose quartz, or stainless steel. They usually have two rollers, a larger one for areas like the cheeks and forehead and a smaller one for under the eyes and nose. These tools work by gently massaging the face, but their benefits go far beyond relaxation. One of the primary advantages of using a facial roller is improved blood circulation. Rolling the tool over your skin stimulates blood flow, which delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your face. This boost in circulation results in a natural, radiant glow and healthier-looking skin. Another major benefit is lymphatic drainage. Our faces often retain excess fluid, especially around the eyes, which can lead to puffiness. A facial roller helps drain this excess fluid by stimulating the lymphatic system. The result? Reduced puffiness and a more sculpted, contoured look. For best results, always roll in upward and outward motions, as this encourages drainage and prevents pulling the skin downward. Facial rollers are also excellent for enhancing product absorption. When paired with a serum, moisturizer, or facial oil, the rolling motion helps push the product deeper into your skin, allowing it to work more effectively. This not only boosts hydration but also ensures you get the most out of your skincare products. Whether you're targeting dryness, fine lines, or dullness, using a facial roller with your favorite product can amplify the benefits. Over time, regular use of a facial roller can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The gentle massage stimulates collagen production, which helps maintain firm, youthful skin. While it's not a quick fix, consistent use can make a noticeable difference in the long run. For those with sensitive or irritated skin, a facial roller can be incredibly soothing. The cool surface of the roller calms redness and inflammation, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and balanced. To enhance this benefit, try storing your roller in the fridge. The chilled tool not only feels amazing but also tightens pores and adds an extra layer of relaxation to your routine. Using a facial roller isn't just about physical benefits, it's also a moment of self-care. In our busy lives, taking 10 minutes to gently massage your face can be a calming and grounding experience. It's a chance to slow down, relax, and focus on yourself. The roller can also help relieve tension in your facial muscles, especially around the jawline and forehead, where stress often builds up. To use a facial roller, start with clean skin and apply a serum, oil, or moisturizer. Begin rolling from the center of your face outward, using upward strokes to lift the skin. Use the larger roller for your cheeks, forehead, and jawline, and the smaller roller for delicate areas like under your eyes. Be gentle and let the roller glide naturally over your skin, no need to apply too much pressure. After you're done, clean your roller with a gentle cleanser to keep it hygienic and ready for the next use. Facial rollers are incredibly versatile and can be used at any time of the day. Use it in the morning to reduce puffiness or in the evening as part of your relaxation routine. The key to seeing results is consistency. Incorporate it into your skincare routine daily for just a few minutes, and over time, you'll notice visible improvements in your skin's texture and tone. That's all for today's video. Facial rollers are a simple, affordable, and effective way to boost your skincare routine while enjoying a relaxing self-care moment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you've tried a facial roller and how it's worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay glowing.